Wabarakatuh. My name is Wafiko Jamila and my NPM is 241032006 and 9. Okay, here I'm gonna do my assignment about explain again about the method that we already learned about, and there are a lot of the subject actually, a lot of theme I think tema. So that's why I choose one of the themes about human language and animals like that. Okay, we often hear stories about animals that talk, but most of the time they are fantasy or just animals imitating sounds. Still, animals do communication with each others, and I don't know. Yeah, that's just imagine or in a real life or truly they're like that. But let's we discuss about that together. So, can animals learn human language, or is it something only humans can do? Okay, to answer this, we must look at the specific features of human language and then review some of real life experiments with animals like that. Uh, what makes human language unique? Human language has several specific features that makes it very different from animals' communication. There are some concepts that I get from that article. No article, I mean that method that Pak Jazuli already told to us. The first one is about reflexivity. Human can talk about language itself, like saying don't use difficult words, but for animal don't do that. So this ability is called reflexivity. That's for the first. For the second is about displacement. Human can talk about things that are not here and now, like the past, future, or imaginary things. Like let me take the example. Uh, for the human unicorns. Um, Animal message are usually about the present moment only, not like the humans. For the humans, we can talk about the past tense, the future, continuous, but for the human, just present moment like that. For the third is arbitrariness. In language, there is no natural link between a word and its meaning. So, for the example, the word dog doesn't look or sounds like an actual dog. Animal signals, however, often match the emotion or situation like that. And for the next is about productivity. Of course, really different, yeah, because our activity is different lah between uh, humans and animals itself like that. Human can create new sentence and new words, but not with the animals like that. Uh, Animals just use fixed signal like monkey, call me like eagle and nothing else. Like they can invent new ones like that. Okay, for the next is about culture transmission. Language is learned, not inherited. Like a Korean baby raised in the US, so they will use US language like that. But for animal, mostly inherit their signal. They don't learn a new language from others, even though like a chicken here and a chicken in a Japanese, it's same actually. They don't have a different language like human itself like that. And the last is about duality. Okay, human language works on two letters, like sounds. Like let me take the example A, B, C. Nah, that's for the first. For the second, the sound is have a meaning. Like that as an example, like B I N. If we directly say it like bin, So there is a meaning of that. Okay. This sound combined in different ways to make different words, like that. Animal signals are whole units. They don't combine parts to make new message. Okay, just that. Just it. Maybe my small explanation about that. I hope that you can understand about my explanation. And for the next is about can animals be thought human language? Actually, some experiments have tried to teach animals to use forms of human language, mostly with chimpanzees or gorilla itself, because they have a limit. Was that limit space and limits accessibility to do that, because they are animals, not a human. So like that. So for the conclusion is language is uniquely human. While some animals show amazing abilities, only humans have the full set of language features. Like that. Animals can communicate, but they don't have the create flexible rules-based system they will call language. So maybe just it for me. I hope all of you can understand what I mean and what I tell about. I'm sorry if my speak maybe too fast or not that clear. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.